Understanding, clarify your stance. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, clarify your stance. Understanding this phrase can be incredibly helpful, not just in writing, but also in everyday conversations. Let's break it down together and make it super easy to understand and use. Stay tuned. Clarify your stance means to make your position or opinion on a particular topic clear. It's often used in discussions or debates when there's a need to understand someone's point of view more clearly. The word clarify means to make something less confusing or more understandable, and stance refers to your position or viewpoint on an issue. Clarifying your stance is crucial because it helps avoid misunderstandings and ensures that your audience or conversation partners accurately grasp your opinions and arguments. It's especially important in written communications, debates, and discussions where precise language is key to getting your point across effectively. Let's look at some examples to see how you can use clarify your stance in sentences. 1. In a debate, could you clarify your stance on climate change? 2. In written communication, before we proceed, I'd like you to clarify your stance on the new policy proposal. 3. In a discussion, I'm not sure I understand your point. Could you clarify your stance? These examples show how asking someone to clarify their stance can encourage more precise communication and deeper understanding. When asked to clarify your stance, here are a few tips to do so effectively. Be specific. Avoid vague language and be as specific as possible about your position. Use examples. Providing examples can help illustrate your point more clearly. Stay focused. Stick to the topic at hand and avoid diverging into unrelated areas. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand what clarify your stance means and how you can use it to improve your communication skills. Remember, being clear and precise in your communication can make a world of difference in how your message is received. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English language tips. See you in the next video.